Brady's dancing.
Brady!
Up, down, up, down, up,
Brady, do an elephant. Brady.
Yeah.
Brady, look at me. Brady.
Where's Trish?
He's showing off for Mark.
Elephant. 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 Very good. Hey!
Brady lion. What noise does a lion make? What noise does a Brady make? What noise does a Brady make? No. What noise does a Brady make? Yeah, you gotta make sound with it. Don't just stick your tongue out. Show Mommy what noise the Brady makes.
Brady, look.
He makes a tongue.
Usually we go, Brady makes a
Who is that?
He's watching himself.
Oh,
Oh,
you're
there's
so
an elephant.
cool.
Yeah. Good boy.
Trisha learned how to do her camera. We're excited.
You gonna change your diaper? What are you doing?
What noise does a dog make?
Oh. You want to do another one? You want to do another one?
Yeah, do a headstand.
Come on, we're going to exercise.
Exercise. Do a headstand.
No. I can't get you this close.
You're the star of the show, Brady.